nothing changes.
Hey guys, here I am Shubha. Welcome back to Tech and App Therapy. Today I am going to review some of the useful and unique apps. So without any ado, let's start the review. All the applications are available on Play Store and I have also provided the link in the description below. So let's start with SKEDit. SKEDit is a scheduling app which schedules your WhatsApp messages, SMS, calls and email. It has got downloaded now. Now here it is asking to sign up with Facebook or you have to create an account. So I am choosing a Facebook by clicking here to agree for sign up with Facebook. Here you can see here it is supported the WhatsApp business app, normal WhatsApp app, SMS, email, call scheduler and your Facebook. So I will demonstrate one of the usage here. I will SMS to one of my friend. You can set here a timer. You can also create you can also create repeater over here, that is hourly, daily, weekly, monthly or yearly as per you want, and also you can ask before sending this message. So I am just clicking on OK. Now here you can see the pending one here. Now it gets finished, it will come here. Then if it is failed, then it will come here and deleted one will come here. So guys, this way you can use other features, that is you can send emails with attachment, group messages, add reminder, call scheduler and many more. Use it at your best and enjoy it. So coming to the second app, that is Fyuse 3D photos. Here with this app you can create a 3D photo and you can share on any of the social media or on the Fyuse library, that is you can upload a post on a Fyuse library. I will show the one of the example through this. It is getting downloaded. Open. Here with the Fyuse you can log in with your Google account, Facebook or else your email ID. So I am logging with my Facebook account. Here you can see the library of the Fyuse app, that is the other users has created and posted their post. You can see the 3D effect of every post. You can see this. I will show you one of the example by clicking an image. Now you can see here I have kept a Bluetooth headset and I am clicking a 3D image of it. Just go slowly. Now you can see here it is getting 3D image done. So now here you can also see the post is ready and you can post it on the Fyuse like this. Here you can see it is getting shared on the Fyuse. I am uploading this photo. So this way you can do all these stuffs here, and also you can comment over Fyuse, and also you can upload this on your other social media also. So this is the app for the 3D image. So here comes next photo editing app, that is Enlight Pixaloop photo animator. With this you can convert your still photo into an animated photo. It has got downloaded now. We will open. Here it is a pro version of Pixaloop, that is for 1 month it is 330, 12 month it is 137, and for one time purchase it is 4900. If you want you can take it. I will show an example here how it works. Creating a new project. Suppose this is the image and here you can animate your clouds and other stuffs. I will show you. Just choose an arrow and start moving as you like. Create the path in which you have to flow the clouds, then freeze the other part of the image which you don't want to move. And you can also adjust your speed over here and just play it. This way it works. It gives a best experience to the still image. You can animate the image Also you can adjust your speed this way. You can also add here the sky element, like this one is the inbuilt Pixaloop sky images, and here it is the pros one. You can also add here the overlay, the rain, and you can animate as of you want. It is a camera effects. You can see here the image, how it works with various essentials, and now you can convert this image into a video GIF and post it direct, and also you can post it directly on your Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter or Facebook as of you want. So I am trying to post this, or you can create a video. I will create a video and adjust, and also you can adjust your sizes as of you want. And here they give the quality, that is without pro it is 1080, and if you take the pro membership then it is 2K or 4K. You can adjust your video's duration over here, 30 seconds till 138 seconds, from 6 seconds to 138 seconds. I am keeping it as a 30 seconds and just click on export. Now the exporting of video is done and it has saved into gallery. You can share the post with any of your friend. This way it will work. It actually gives a best effect to a still image, and you can do more fun with this app also. The next app here is the Boom app, that is music player with 3D sound effect. You can hear your playlist, any of your playlist or any of your song in a 3D sound. I will show you one of the example, but the best experience will give on your earphones, headset or in any of your Bluetooth device. It is getting downloaded now. Here it is asking to plug a headset or headphone. Here you can choose any of your headphones. I will do it later. Here it is a premium version for this Boom app. I will skip this. You can also, by subscribing this Boom app, you can sign it to a Spotify or Tidal, and you can also access your music from your cloud, that is Google Drive or Dropbox. Now at first I will be playing without Boom effect sound, 3D sound. Here it is. Now I will enable the Boom effect. Here it is the 3D sound. You can adjust. I will keep all of this full. You can keep the bass boost effect on and the intensity will be high. You can adjust the equalizer as of you want, but I am keeping it as a normal, and I will playing this song. The best effect you will get on your earphones. Now it is showing for Boom plus Spotify, that is you have to sign it to a Spotify. The access for Tidal. You can also hear the radio from this. Then the podcast, Google Drive access, Dropbox access. In settings you will get a headphone which you can select as you want. Then compatibility mode, if there is any audio issue you can keep a sleep timer for your music over here. Then for premium version, you can, if you like this app and if you want to purchase, then for here there is 67% off going on, and you can get this premium version. For 1 month it is of 70 rupees, for yearly it is 350, and for lifetime it is 1450. If you enjoy this app, do go for the premium one. Last but not least, the final app is Notify Buddy. This is used for AMOLED display notification, because the latest phone which we get, it can have notification at the pop-up camera, or the notification LED is at the charging slot. So it is very difficult to check out the notification if we get. Now we will grant the access. And here you can choose any of the application. I am choosing WhatsApp and giving the notification LED green color. Now we will go to settings. Here you can get the notification for missed calls, then stop while in DND mode notification. Then here you can also set the timer for notification LED. Here you can adjust the position of your notification LED. Then here you can increase the brightness. This way you will get the notification. I will demonstrate this and show you. Now I will demonstrate by sending message from this mobile to this mobile, and you will get the notification LED over here blinking. I'm sending just hi, and you can see here the notification message, it is blinking over here. You can adjust the animation time given over here by getting to the settings. You can see here now the message has been delivered. So this way the Notify Buddy app works. You can also get the Notify Buddy premium version by this way, by premium, and you have to give just 40 rupees. You can purchase in total of 59 rupees, and you can also buy premium and support DEV by giving 210 rupees or just by watching an advertise.